when using the map screen, these icons show these icons show different districts that have farmers in them, whereby you can also just search for a district. Let me give an example of Mukono, and then it will take you to that district and shows you the farmers. You can say Wakiso, and it will take you to that district and show you the farmers that are under this district. All right. Also, another interesting thing is you are able to search for a produce. For example, let's say beans. To take you to Kampala, which shows you farmers that have beans. For example, if I click this farmer, we'll clearly see that this farmer has beans in them. Let's say also peas. To take me to Gulu, whereby when I search here, I'll find out that this farmer has peas.